Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to add CSS to the feedback tab. Here you can see how it look like my feedback tab. Here you can see I'm giving a h2 for submit feedback in a div. This is my feedback menu bar. I'm giving the body, font, family, background color. This is background color and margin 0 and padding 0. If any default margin padding are in there present in web page. Div I'm giving a 15%, margin 15 pixel auto, background color I'm giving a white, and padding I'm giving 40 pixel and border is 10 pixel. Here you can see for this div I'm giving a width 15%, margin 50 pixel, and background color is white, and padding border it is 10 pixel, and border box shadow I'm giving 15 pixel. Box shadow means it will little pop up to the background body. And for h2 I'm giving text alignment center, margin bottom 20 pixel, which means it takes some margin from the bottom, and giving the font size 28 pixel, and giving the color blue. You can see this is blue. And for font table, inside the font label I'm giving the font weight bold. Here you can see bold, full name, and font size 16 pixel. In input text area select, I'm using a for label, it will apply to all the labels. And input and text area and select, I'm using a width 10% 100%, which means takes a whole width, and padding 12px, margin 8px, and border 1px solid. Here you can see this color I choose. I'm giving a font size 15 pixel. Here you can see I'm using comma, which means input text area and select, I'm using these properties. Here you can see I did not use any comma, which means inside the form there is a label. I'm giving that properties to the label of a form. Here you can see I'm using an input, and inside the input I'm using focus. This is a pseudo class, giving the border color blue. Here you can see box shadow and outline none. For text area, here you can see text area height I'm giving 130 pixel, and resize vertical, I'm giving the vertical resizing f3. What is f3? f3 is this one, this div. I gave this div class. I can use id for this. Here you can see I'm giving this div class overall experience for this one, overall experience, and I'm giving margin right, which means margin takes margin from the right 6px 6 pixel, and f3 label. For labels having a font size 15px font size. For button I'm using a width 100% and padding 14 pixel. pixel, which means it takes a padding from all the sides, and background color is blue, and color is white, means text color is white. Font size I am giving 18 pixel. Border none, which means border will be, there will be no border. Border radius I am giving 6 px, which 6 pixel, which means it takes a border radius 6 pixel. And cursor pointer I am giving a cursor pointer. Margin top, it takes a margin from the top 20 pixel. Inside the button I am using a hover pseudo class, like background color green. When I move my cursor to this submit button, it will show a green color. This is all from me, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for next videos.